Today, MTD CNC have had the privilege to travel to Birmingham and been invited to the grand opening of the Hoffmann subsidiary. Now, I'm joined by Robert. Now, Robert, this is a very special day with you, and you've just recently had your 100th year anniversary worldwide. Can you tell me, and give us a bit of an insight into the company and how important it is for you to set up this subsidiary in the UK?
Yeah, well, what can I say? Indeed, for me, it's a very special day. I'm very excited about it because, to give you some more insights, I'm now with the company for 15 years, and one of the first projects I've had was to analyze the market in the UK. Yeah, and basically that was 14 years ago. And at that time I said, wow, that's our market. We have to really go big in this market, and today it's happening. Yeah? So it's really a great honor, and I'm really happy to see everybody here, and the whole environment that we can see here. I'm really astonished how well it is designed. I really like it very much.
I mean, this is a fantastic launch, an official launch to your products here in the UK. Can you give me an insight? How will your products or shall I say solutions help the British marketplace, in your opinion?
Okay, so that's very good because you talk already about solutions. I'm never just talking about products. Products is one thing. A lot of companies can sell products. We're providing solutions. And we call it, we are a system partner. Now, what is a system partner? We are way more than just selling products. We are somebody giving the technical consultancy to our customers. And that means we want to find the best possible products, best possible speeds, feeds, whatever our customers needs, in order to make the best process by the end of the day for our customers and to simplify their tool procurement.
So, in regards to what you're saying, you're becoming a partner with all of your clients, and ultimately, are you helping them become more profitable, more efficient?
That's absolutely clear. That's our goal, and that's what our colleagues are getting up to every day. Yeah. So whenever I take the phone and I call them at 3 o'clock in the morning, what are you here for? That's exactly what I want to hear.
Now, moving on to your products, obviously, being a solution provider is extremely important, but you need to back that up with excellent products, quality products. Yeah, can you tell us about the design of the products in Germany and the kind of the infrastructure behind your business, effectively?
Okay, so we have a very exclusive brand which is called Garant. Yeah? With Garant, we ensure a highest quality on a very reasonable price level. Why or how can we do that? We have our own engineering department, and we have very, very specialists, very high technical specialists working on it to improve what is already good to make it excellent. Yeah? And that runs through a very intensive process, and we want to make sure that we're delivering the best quality. We are a German company. German quality, so that is somehow combined, and for me that fits perfectly well to the UK market. You need high quality because you have a very, very good reputation also for high quality products, and that's where it matches very well.
Now, in a world of digitalisation, you've also got products that fit into this arena well too. Can you tell our audience the importance of digitalisation and where your products fit into this also?
Yeah, so digitalisation at the moment is a huge word. Yeah? Everybody's using it. And the thing is, if you ask a lot of different guys, what is digitalisation? You get probably different answers. Yeah. So for me, digitalisation is very important, and probably we can see it in our strategy 2027, which we were working intensively. Digitalisation is one very important brick for us, but it means to deliver what we know from the here and now also in tomorrow, in the future. And that means digitalisation is an add-on to the offline world, probably, if I'm allowed to call it like that. So the online world will be an add-on to the offline world. And we are working intensively on it, and we are very, very much ahead of that because we put a high focus on that, not just since yesterday. Yeah? We are very well known for digital solutions, although they were probably not called digital solutions, but 10 years, 15 years already ago.
So the aspirations for the future in the UK and around the world, can you just give me, could you just summarise, please, Robert?
Yeah, I tell you, in the UK, I'm more than happy that we're here. Why? The UK market is one of the biggest ones in the world. Yeah? And currently, with this, let's call it a brave step of today, yeah? We set the foundation to really rock the market. Yeah? And that's what we also want to do. We want to grow intensively, and I'm 100% sure that we will do that. The UK market fits perfectly well to us. We are the European market leader. And in the UK, there's just one word, one headline for me: potential. Yeah? And that's what I'm really looking forward to.